Hey guys, it's Jeremy here at Talladega Fiberglass. I just wanted to give you guys a look inside our shop and let you see what we've got going on today. I know we've got some singles going on, and it seems like a visor. But yeah, let's just step in here and I'll let Eric take it from here.
Eric.
Hey, I don't have time for you today.
Yep, got it. Hey, Luke.
No.
I was just saying, hey.
Hey,
What?
we need more slider foot.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, what's up, Jerry?
Billy, you know I can't put you on camera.
Come on, man. I'll keep my clothes on this time.
All right, so as you can see, they're pretty busy right now, and I respect that actually. So I'm just gonna stay out of their way for now, and we'll check back in a couple of days.
Slider plate.
I know.